In today's video, I'm going to reveal the pipeline company that is powering America's AI boom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you the details of this company so you can basically go away and research it to see basically if it matches your portfolio requirements. Now, I first found out about this yesterday from Jeff Brown. He runs a Near Future Report, which is an AI research and tech stock picking service. And basically, in his monthly Near Future Report issue, he talked about this company. And I just want to share some of the details with you because it is an opportunity that a lot of people are going to miss. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you an overview of all of this. But if you want to read about this company in much greater detail, far greater detail that I can give on this video, I will put a link to the Near Future Report down below where basically you can read Jeff's report on this. So let's get into it. So basically America is having a massive AI boom. The big tech companies, Meta, Google, Amazon, they're building huge AI data centers. And the reason why they're doing this is because there's a race to achieve artificial general intelligence, which probably isn't far away. And then after that, the next stage will be artificial super intelligence. But in order to have artificial general intelligence, we need huge data centers. Now, Meta's latest data center they're building out is effectively the size of Manhattan. It's not fully built yet, it's in construction, but basically the footprint would near enough cover Manhattan. It is ginormous. And off the back of that, the power requirements these AI data center needs are huge. Something of that size will require 5 gigawatts of power and energy in order to power it, which is basically the size of Denver or Nashville. So basically, AI does actually have a problem, and that is a power and energy problem. And basically, the CEOs of these big tech companies, Meta, Google, Amazon, OpenAI, are searching for solutions. And their job's been made more complex because obviously with all of these green fuel agendas that's going on. But it seems there is a solution to this problem under America, and the solution is natural gas. In fact, Goldman Sachs basically said 60% of energy supply will to AI data centers will be natural gas. So it seems like natural gas is going to be one of the main solutions in order to power these AI data centers, because America is very rich in this natural resource. And this brings me on to the company. Now, there's one company that is perfectly positioned to supply natural gas to basically the AI industry in America. It's already got one contract with an AI data center, and that company is called Energy Transfer LP. And they basically stand out for their size, strategic positioning, and history of strong shareholder returns. Now, like I said, this company has already got an AI contract or a contract with an AI data center, and Jeff Brown believes that this will only increase as the years roll on. Now, they've got plenty of pipeline, they've got plenty of, they've got enough natural gas to supply the AI data centers. They're building out their infrastructure, which is very, very strategic because it is going all in and targeting the AI data center industry because it's going to be so profitable and there's so much demand there isn't being met at the moment, and natural gas is going to be part of a big solution. So it seems like Energy Transfer is positioning itself very nicely to capitalize on the AI energy boom that it's basically going to happen in America, in the US, over the next couple of years. Now, this company isn't going to make you like 70,000% returns. This is basically a sleep well at night stock. Over the years, this company has seen very steady growth of around 15% a year, which is very nice. It's got a very strong dividend yield of 7.1%, so you get a nice dividend every year. The stats for the past year, it has grown. Past year is up 14%. So, and the past 5 years compounded is around 177%. The market cap of a company is 61.29 billion, and the share price currently sits at 17.86. And what makes this company a really good buy is that the share price this year has been pretty flat. It hasn't really moved, man. In fact, it has actually dipped. And basically, you always want to buy stocks when the price is level or slightly falling rather than going parabolic and climbing, because, yeah, you're just not going to get the best buy-in price. But it's been pretty flat this year, which is really, really good for anyone who wants to buy into this company. Now, I'm not saying go out and rush out and buy this company. I think you need to do a lot more research into this before you buy. But it is a really, really nice looking stock that's perfectly positioned to basically power the AI data center industry moving forward, or have a big stake in that market. Now, Jeff has basically expected that the compounded growth between now and 2029 is going to be around 62%, with a 7.3% dividend yield year on year. So basically, this stock is basically great for retirement funds. It's one of those sleep well at night stocks. You know it's steady. It's a steady Eddie stock. You're going to see somewhere between 14 to 20% growth every year, and you got a nice juicy 7.1% dividend yield being paid for you annually as well. So it's a really good sleep well at night stock. It's not one of these crazy stocks that's going to explode 3, 4, 500%. I mean, it could do, but highly unlikely. This is a steady Eddie stock. It's pretty much a staple of a retirement fund. You're just going to see nice growth year on year with a nice dividend yield. Again, this company's name is Energy Transfer LPET. Current share price 17.86. So what I do is I recommend you go away and do more research. Like I said, this isn't a buy recommendation. I don't offer that. I'm just giving you a little heads up, passing on information I learned to you. You can go away and research it. Now, if you want to read Jeff's full write-up on this company, it's very in-depth, gives you all the ins and outs of it. I'll link to the near future report down below, where you can access this monthly issue of the near future report. Plus, you get a whole bank of special reports. You've got special reports on how to invest in Tesla's new physical AI robot Optimus that's going to be releasing soon. The $100 trillion AI metal. Jeff shows you a stock of how to invest in that. That metal is key to the future of modern tech and physical AI, and loads of other special reports. And you get all of Jeff's best AI picks and all of his best research and analysis every month. So if you want to join that, you can join for 60 days risk-free. So I'll leave a link in the comment description below. Also, I've got my own AI stock one-page brief. 1 page, 2 minutes to read, brings you up to speed with the current AI market, and I'll give away 3 of my favourite AI stocks you can go away and research. So if you want that, completely free to download. I'll leave a link in the comment description below as well. Anyway, that is what I've got for you. I hope you found the video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.